Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta the Joshua Weissman only way. First, gather your ingredients: 300 grams of 00 flour and 3 large eggs. Create a well with the flour on a clean surface, then crack the eggs into the center. Gently whisk the eggs, slowly incorporating flour from the sides until a shaggy dough forms. This initial step is crucial for a smooth, pliable dough. Once your dough comes together, it's time for the most important part: kneading. Knead vigorously for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. It should spring back when poked. Then, wrap the dough tightly in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for a minimum of 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll out. Now for the fun part: rolling and cutting your pasta. Divide your rested dough into manageable portions. Using a pasta machine, roll each piece through progressively thinner settings until it reaches your desired thickness, typically around 1.5 millimeters. If you're using a rolling pin, aim for a translucent sheet. Finally, cut your pasta into your preferred shape, whether it's fettuccine, tagliatelle, or another variety. Cooking fresh pasta is incredibly fast. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and season it generously with salt, making it taste like the ocean. Add your fresh pasta and cook for only 2 to 3 minutes or until al dente. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried. Drain it quickly, then immediately toss it with your favorite warm sauce. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.